The transpose of matrix is got when rows are interchanged with columns. The loop I iterates through index 0 to 3 along with loop j, which iterates through each element of the matrix. The appended values will be entered into transpose matrix, which is printed. Please see my video on Python lists for further information. We are going to calculate sum of two matrices using Python list methods. We have two matrices A and B. The sum of these matrices will be matrix sum. We have initially used its values as zeros. We will replace these values using replace function of list through slice function. We have used two loops x and y to iterate through rows and columns. X is outer loop while y is inner loop. X will iterate through length of 2, while y will iterate through length of 3. Consequently, values will replace the zeros of matrix sum. In the end, we print the values using another loop for you. I have taken two matrices A and B. The solution matrix, which will be the result of multiplication of A and B, is having all values as zeros. These values will be replaced using the Python list replacement method. I have used three loops I, j, and k. The loop I is outer loop while j and k are inner loops. These loops will iterate through rows and columns of both matrices. The values of solution matrix are replaced using Python list slice function using index number. As you can see the printed output of resultant matrix. Please watch my video on the Python lists for further information. Import built-in module NumPy. Make NumPy array of matrix A and B. Just add both to get sum of matrices. Use transpose function of NumPy and get the transpose of any matrix. Rows are interchanged with columns. Multiplication of matrices was not as easy. Just take dot function of NumPy and get multiplication of matrix A and B. So cool! NumPy linear algebraic inverse function will find the inverse of matrix within no time.